Hey guys, it's Tyler Go. Hey guys, it's Tyler Go 2 here with my fifth video, and it is a double battle pack or double pack. Storm Pegasus, awesome, and Rock Aquareo, awesome. Very, very cool. So that Storm Pegasus 105 RF, Rock Aquareo 125 SF, those two comes with those two bays. And launcher, and this one is customized, not upgraded because it clicks. And this one is custom colored and upgraded. The other one was non, as you can see. I kept on spinning. Yep. So that, and it also comes two rip cords. I wish it would come with a string launcher though. I'm kind of disappointed about that. Like, I just have one that comes with a string launcher. But, oh well, they gotta do what they gotta do. So yeah, it comes with that. All that stuff, and wow, it's only 1 minute so far. And there's a few things I want to show you. Oh yeah. And this is paper that comes with two tops clash in an awesome battle. And I like how they have clash in capitals and awesome battle in capitals. So yeah. So I'm just going to take my stadium away. And I am going to show you the parts, but not right now. After the video. Save some time. She's a cutie pie. Look at her. Look how cute she is. Just look at her. Oh, she could give you a kiss. She give you a kiss. Oh, look at her face. Look at so cute. High view. And let me open this part real quick. Can you see her? Look how cute she is. Yep. Close it so she doesn't go. Yep. Whoa. Move the stadium upwards. Let me set it out of the way. There we go. Let me get the ripcords in really quick. Yay, it's only 3 minutes. And I'm almost done. We're only going to do 2 out of 3 battle. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, evil Pegasus. Oh my gosh. Holy. Wow. Zoom out. I can zoom in a little bit, but enough for a video, though. So, ripcords. And by the way, Pegasus won. I didn't really think Pegasus would win, but that's funny, actually. But 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, you're a little Pegasus, aren't you? Aquareo 1-1-1. Last battle. Yep, last battle. Whoever wins this one wins it all. Bum ba dum. It's a final countdown. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. This is my upgrade launcher. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Whoa, let me zoom out. Zoom in. Go really high. Zoom out. Whoa, look at them. Who's gonna win? Oh, I think it might be Aquario. Maybe, no, yeah, it's Aquario. Close up. Look how cool. Yeah. So, goes out of there. Stadium right there. And starting my little, I use my clothes hamper as a stand. It's weird. By the way, this is a new set. This might be the one I'm using all the time, but maybe not. So, yep, I wish I had that quick case, holder case, and built-in tool thing. Really cool. And I do have another pet, which is a dog, that I'm going to show her in a different video. Let's start with Pegasus. The face bolt. Really cool face bolt. Nice blue. A really cool blue. That's really, really cool. And then the awesome Pegasus energy ring with nice little yellow and thunderbolts there. It just looks so awesome. Really, really, really cool. And then the Storm fusion wheel has little things right there and little left spin things right there. Really cool. Little like wingy things or something. Oops, I have my 100 track on there. This is 105, but it really is 100. It's supposed to be 105, but not 100. Don't really much to say about that. Then the performance tip, which is good for attack, but not as well for stamina, but just a tiny bit. Yep. So now, Rock Aquario. Not Storm Aquario. Aquario face bolt. It's really, really cool. Go well. It's like a nice screen for it. And the Aquario energy ring, which looks cool right there. Little things. Pinkies. Then the rock wheel, which I like that little thing right there. Have Rock Scorpio, which makes it look really cool. And the 125 track, which is really cool for kind of low, but I like 100 or 90. It's really cool. And the SF, which is really good for balance. Midnight Bull, the Legend series, has a 2-adhesive balance type Beyblade. So yeah, so that. Let me show you my things that I drew. It says, ow, gosh, ow, I tripped on my bed. It says Storm Pegasus 105 RF, and it says rubber flat right there. Top view, side view, bottom view, Master Jenga, character Pegasus, face bolt Pegasus, energy ring Pegasus, fusion wheel Storm, spin track 105 low, performance tip RF rubber flat for aggressive spin, name Lightning El Drago, top view, side view, bottom view, Master Ryuga, Spirit Dragon, it's all dragon, face bolt El Drago, and energy ring El Drago, fusion wheel Lightning, spin track 105 low, performance tip HF whole flat. So yeah, that was my video, guys. Cute little guy. So yeah, that's my video, and hope you like it. And bye, guys.